Good morning on the farm. Hampy scatters little seeds. Cluck, cluck, mommy hen pecks. Cock-a-doodle-doo, daddy rooster pecks. 5 little eggs. Wiggle, wiggle. Uh-oh, 1 little egg rolls away. Roll, roll, roll. What's that? The egg is rolling. Oh no, hurry, catch it. Daddy rooster jumps ahead. Wings spread wide. Got it, got it. Whoops, it slipped away. Gotcha. Crack, crack, a chick pops out. Cheep, cheep, run to mommy. 4 more eggs. Wiggle, wiggle. Uh-oh, not again. Roll, roll, roll. Where will they go? Swish, swish. 1 little egg rolls into the flower bush. Where did it go? Swish, swish, leaves everywhere. Aha! There you are! Hampy pops out. Crack, crack. Another baby chick. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Follow Hampy. Wobble, wobble. Rolling on the log. Mommy hen, hold on tight. Slide, slide. Whoa! Past mommy hen. Roll, roll through. Hampy catches it. Gotcha! Crack, crack. Pop, pop. Another baby chick. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Up, 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 up the haystack. Climb, climb. Higher, higher. Almost there. Oh no! Slide, slide. Let's try again. Daddy helps below. Mommy holds tight. Hampy climbs up. Higher, higher. Gotcha! Crack, crack. Pop, pop. Cheep, cheep. 1 more egg. Wiggle, wiggle. Wait, wait. Tap, tap. Achoo. Boing. Crack. Pop, pop. Cheep, cheep. The last chick is here. 5 little chicks. Cheep, cheep, cheep. It's getting dark. Time for bed. 5 little chicks sleep together under mommy's wings. Sweet.